There's a magic in stillness, an opportunity to embrace the mindfulness that brings us back to the present. This practice is designed to help you step into the sacred space of silence, where the simplicity of being can guide us to clarity, to peace, and to inner connection within ourselves and the present moment. Take a minute to settle in. Find a comfortable position, something that your body is craving at this moment. Maybe you sit or lie down. Maybe you stand or sink into a cozy corner. Wherever you ended up, allow your body to surrender to stillness. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths together. Inhale fully, hold, and exhale slowly. Again, inhale through the nose, holding at the top. Sigh it out through the mouth, releasing worry. One more time. Inhale, filling up, holding, and exhale, softening into this moment. Now, just allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, noticing the gentle rise and fall without needing to change anything, judge anything. Just let it be what it wants to be. As you sit here, I invite you to imagine that you are stepping into a quiet, open space. No distractions, no noise, just stillness. In this space, there is nothing to fix, nothing to explain, nothing to do. Allow yourself to rest here in silence. Notice what arises. Perhaps your mind still chatters, and that's okay. Each thought, each sensation, each urge to fill the quiet, simply acknowledge it and return to the breath. Inhale and exhale. Let silence be your guide. Let silence hold space for whatever needs to unfold without effort, without control. Know that right now you don't need to figure anything out. In this silence, clarity comes not from thinking harder, but from softening, from allowing, from trusting. With each breath, notice the spaces between sounds. Notice the pause between your inhale and your exhale. These small spaces are where wisdom lives. If your mind drifts to problem solving, to conversations, to what ifs, simply notice and gently guide yourself back to stillness. Breathe in, breathe out. Let silence hold you. You are not empty in this silence. You are full of presence, full of possibility. In silence, things settle. In silence, truths surface gently. You don't need to search. You only need to listen. Take a moment now to notice the quality of your breath. Is it softer? Is your body more at ease? Has anything shifted, even slightly? There's no need to force insight or resolution. Let silence do the work for you. Let stillness carry you deeper inward. If you notice restlessness or a desire to fill the space, pause and breathe. Silence may feel unfamiliar, but it's not empty. It's the birthplace of calm, clarity, and quiet strength. Take a moment to simply be. No need to name, label, or plan. Rest in the simplicity of presence. As we begin to close, bring gentle awareness back to your body. Maybe touch each finger to your thumb. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Carry this spaciousness with you. The magic of silence is not fleeting. It's always here, quietly waiting, beneath the noise, beneath the rush, beneath the clutter of thought. At any moment you can pause and let silence do the work. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly and gently. And as you're ready, gently float your eyes open. Return to the room, carrying this sense of stillness with you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. I hope you continue to make space for quiet and reflection as you move through the days ahead.